So, another thing that you can do with dot products is you can use them as an easy means to find the magnitude of a vector. Remember, the magnitude is one part of the vector, the other part being the direction. So, remember, number 4, property of dot product, said that v dot v equals the magnitude of that vector squared. So let's play this game a little bit, shall we? Let's say the dot product of, let's say v equals vector 4, comma 3. All right, so v dot v equals 4 times 4 plus 3 times 3. That's the dot product. That's x of b times x of b plus x of y times x of y, which equals, and this should look very familiar, it should look exactly like the Pythagorean theorem, which it is, which equals 16 plus 9, which equals 25. And so the magnitude of v squared equals 25. So the magnitude of v equals 5. Easy peasy.